Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure the essentials are ready. Your phone runs Android 9 or newer and has Android Auto installed. Tap the app, then grant microphone, contacts, and location permissions so it can route navigation and calls. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the phone and plug into your car with a high-quality USB cable or start the wireless pairing from the car head unit. This gets the connection initiated and prepares the interfaces to switch over to Android Auto. Now you focus on the in-car side. Select Android Auto on the car display and accept any permission prompts there. The phone and head unit exchange configuration data. Make sure you pick your preferred navigation and audio apps and rearrange quick access shortcuts for a single tap drive. Also, customize Do Not Disturb and notification settings so alerts are limited to essential calls and messages. Once these options are set, your driving experience is cleaner and safer with minimal distractions. Finish by testing the full flow. Start navigation, play music, and place a hands-free call to confirm audio routing. If something fails, disconnect, toggle Bluetooth or USB, and restart your phone. You'd be surprised how often that clears state issues. Make sure the Android Auto app and your car's infotainment firmware are updated. Use an original or high-quality USB cable for wired connections. If problems persist, clear app cache and retry. This often removes stale settings and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.